Hey, what's going on, guys? Ronnie here with USA Digi and RonnieRocksmith.com. So in this training called YouTube Cash, I'm going to show you 3 ways where you can make money with YouTube. So the first way is going to be the way that you can make the most money. The second way is going to be in the middle. And the third and last way is going to be the less that you will make if you're just starting out. Now, the flip side of that is the third way can be the most profitable way if you get a lot of subscribers and followers. So that's something to build up to, right? So we're going to talk about 3 ways. And the first way is to sell your own product or service. So the first thing you want to do if you're a beginner is you want to find a niche that you're really good at, but make sure you do a search on YouTube to see if they have videos about that, what you're interested in, what you can do. That way you know that you'll be able to rank with it. If you don't see any videos at all on YouTube on that subject, well, it might not be something to start doing because there's no market for it. And you're looking for a market within that niche to where you can sell to people. That's the main idea here, right? So the first way is going to be selling a product or service. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm on Dave Dugdale's site. Now, I learned about Dave when I was first getting started with video stuff, and I bought my first Canon T3i. So actually I bought 2 of them because I wanted different angles at the same time, right? 2 shots. But anyways, because I'm in the movie stuff and video tutorials and all this good stuff that I do, so I wanted to learn about it. So I went on YouTube and I found Dave here was teaching tutorials on how to use the Canon T3i specifically. And I wanted to learn a lot more in-depth details. So I watched a bunch of his videos, and I was reading in one of his descriptions one day and I found a link that he actually had a training course. So since I'm learning from Dave with all these videos, why not buy his course, right? So I'm on Dave's site here, and as you can see, if you look in all of his descriptions here, you can see the link right here that goes to his training course. So that's something you want to implement in all of your descriptions in that specific niche, okay? Create a course in that specific niche. Now make sure you know what you're talking about. Make sure you're really good at it, because if you're not and you're trying to make a course on something that you really don't know much about, people are going to notice and they're not going to buy your stuff. Keep that in mind. So here is the link, guys. You can see it's in every one pretty much of his videos here, okay? So Doug has almost 200,000 subscribers. Dugdale. It's a weird name, right? Dave Dugdale. It's kind of cool though. Okay, so anyways, what I want to show you here is we're going to do some calculations and see how much Dave is making. So if I click on this link in the description, I'm not going to open it because I already have it open here in this tab, and we're going to go to that checkout page. Now if I click on here, it goes straight to my PayPal account for me to check out, and then I think he sends you an email. I bought this like 2 years ago, I think, or something like that. So as you can see, it's 4 hours and 8 minutes long, 39 bucks. Well worth the course, guys. A very good course if you want to learn about the Canon T3i. So this course was specifically for this camera. That's what I was looking for, right? So let's talk about specific. Make sure your course is on a specific thing, okay? But let's just do some calculations right quick and see how much Dave possibly could have made. So this is Dave here, and he has, like I said, 153,000 total views. Okay, so I'm going to bring in my calculator over here right quick. So what I'm going to do is kind of do a demonstration on what I think possibly that Dave could have made with this course, okay? I don't know the exact numbers here. I'm just doing a guesstimation. If he has 153,000 views, let's just take half of that. Let's just say half of those people bought, just to say as a demonstration, okay? We're gonna go ahead and divide that. So 153,000, okay, divided by 2. Okay, 76,500 people. Now, like I said, I don't know if this many people bought the course. This is just a demonstration. So we're going to times that by $39, okay? So if that many people bought Dave's course, Dave could possibly make $2,983,000. Jeez, it's a lot of money, right, guys? Okay, now let's just go into perspective here. $39. Let's go back to his page. Say 10,000 people bought, okay? 10,000. Let's just see how much he would make with that. $390,000. So as you can see, guys, selling your own product or service can definitely make you a lot of money, right? So as you can see, if you're on YouTube and you're getting a lot of views to your videos and you have that link in that description, you could possibly make some big time money, right, guys? Okay, so the second thing is to promote. Okay, and the second way is using affiliate offers. So if you like to model what I'm doing, that's fine. You might be doing this already, I don't know. But what I do is I go on jbzoo.com or warriorplus.com and I grab my affiliate links there. So if you're brand new, you want to request a product to promote. So the way to find the latest, greatest products that's going on right now is go to YouTube and search for marketing product reviews or online marketing, internet marketing, something like that, product reviews, and see what comes up. You should see something related. Just check the video out, see when things are launched, and you probably could see that in the description as well. If you just watch a few seconds of the video, they usually start with when the product's launching and whatnot. Some of them do, some of them don't, but that'll give you an idea of what's going on in the marketing industry. Also try and find some circles on Facebook. Request to be some of the top marketing people that are on JBZoo and Warrior Plus. Request to be their friends. That way you can keep up to date what's going on. So that's a couple of ways. But once you got your account there, and if you're new, one of my mentors, Jonah Armstrong, says that maybe you could try and send in the video, use your iPhone, tell the vendor who you are since you're brand new, you don't have any sales yet, tell them you want to promote, their product, give you a shot with that. That sometimes works. It'll work better than just typing in, I want to request your product. So what you do is you make the video with your iPhone, whatever, upload it on YouTube, grab that link, go on Warrior Plus or JBZoo, put the link in whenever you're typing in your description to request, okay? Give them a few days and go back to that product name again on the page, on the site. And then if you see get links, it'll be a green button. Click that and you can grab that link. That's your affiliate link, okay? Every time you make a sale, you get a commission. So everything has to be set up in your account, PayPal, Stripe, whatever you're using in there, and just to make sure that you can get paid before you go on to do this on YouTube, right? So what you're gonna do is grab the affiliate link, put that in your YouTube description. And then after someone watches your video and they click that link in your description and they buy that product that you just reviewed, you get paid. So it's pretty simple, right? So I want to show you my site right quick. I mean, that's what I'm doing right now. So that's what's making me the most money out of these three. But as you can see right here in my video description, this is the last product that I reviewed, triple traffic bots. And I create actual bonus page. I put bonuses on there because bonuses actually, entice people to buy that product to get your bonuses. So that's an incentive, right? So as you can see right here, my affiliate link is not actually in here. Okay, what is in here is my bonus page. So if you want to go that route, but you can put your affiliate link in here, it doesn't matter, however you want to do it. But as you can see, it'll go to my bonus page. And on there, I have buttons with my affiliate link. So when they click my button, it fires my affiliate link and I get a commission. Okay, so how much can you make doing this affiliate marketing? If you know what you're doing, you can make it pretty good. So I'm gonna jump into my Warrior Plus account here, and as you can see, you can make some pretty good money doing this. Now, I'm not making like $10,000 per sale or something like that, but I'm doing okay, right? Okay, so let's now talk about the third way, and that's becoming a YouTube partner. Now, there's a couple of things that you need to have to become a YouTube partner, okay? If you're just starting out, you gotta have at least 1,000 subscribers. So you're gonna have to build that up, okay? But if you're putting out consistent videos, at least 1, 2, 3 even videos per week, people are going to start noticing you. YouTube is going to start noticing you. They're going to jack up your listings higher and higher in the search results. So you're going to start getting subscribers if you know what you're talking about in your videos, and if it's specifically tailored to what that niche is. Okay, so remember those things. Now, you're also going to have 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period. But as soon as you get that close to that 1,000 subscribers, you should be able to have those types of watch time quickly, as long as you keep your videos quick and interesting, okay? So that's another tip. To make at least $100 on YouTube, you gotta have like 75,000 to 125,000 views. So as you can see, it's not that lucrative unless you got like 1 million subscribers or a hell of a lot of subscribers to keep watching your videos, okay? But if you're in that range and you got 1 million, 2 million, 3 million subscribers, you can make a substantial amount of money with AdSense. So you could see that could be your #1 source if you push to that level. So that is the 3 ways. One more thing I want to talk about is when you want to become a partner and you got all the subscribers and the watch time, you have to create an AdSense account, okay? And I want to show you right quick. As you can see, my revenue for AdSense is $21 on my YouTube channel here. I don't have that many subscribers, I don't have that many views, so it shows you, look, you're not gonna make much money with AdSense unless you have a lot of videos, a lot of subscribers, a lot of views. What you need to do is you go to AdSense and create an account, and you set up your YouTube account in here. You can link them together once you create this. A tip is make sure you create a Gmail email before you go to AdSense and sign up. That way it'll be a lot easier to sign up for the process. I think inside of your YouTube account you can link the AdSense together. But as you can see in here, $57.40. I might make $100 a month in AdSense, and that's from these 2 sites here. Alieninvestigations.tv, that's a little hobby that I do. I also have a YouTube channel on that, and how to fish videos. As you can see, not doing much at all because I don't promote these things that often. See, this one right here, I'm not promoting at all. I just put it up and let it run. And this is getting a little bit of promotion from my Facebook page and my YouTube channel. Okay, so that's gonna wrap up this training, guys. Make sure you use 1 or more of these methods to make some money on YouTube. So thanks for your time and interest. I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith with USADigi.com and RonnieRockSmith.com. And guys, happy marketing.